Do you guys see the glow? Do you guys see the skin? Like, the skin is really skinny. Hey boy, hey girl, my name is Timmy and I'm a content creator based in London. If you're new to my channel, you're definitely welcome. Please be kind enough to subscribe to this channel and also give this video a massive thumbs up. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys, I would like to call this starter pack beginners skincare routine. So yeah, girl qualified for Stylevana's influencer program and they sent me all these goodies. Me personally, I'm transitioning into Korean skincare brand. I do have like some Korean skincare that I use, but these are new to me. I've actually been using them for like a while now and I'm not breaking out or anything, so I decided to share with you guys. Now I call this starter pack beginners skincare product because if you're just starting off your skincare journey, I'd advise that you make things very simple. You don't want to complicate things. Our skin can get irritated quite easily, but I've used this and I did not break out. I can tell you that for sure. The only thing I would say you can include in your skincare routine, which I did not include because this is not my full skincare routine, is niacinamide. I also use vitamin C, but again, I'm not including it in this video. I wanted to try out this product on its own to see that it works perfectly for me before including other skincare products. So basically this has like toner, moisturizer, serum, collagen, sunscreen, makeup balm removal. I think I've said that before. So basically those are the basic things you need to start off your skincare journey. Okay, anyways, I don't want to ramble too much. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and click notification bell. I'm gonna move into the skincare now. I'm gonna be doing a voiceover, of course, but yes, so I'll see you my babes in the next video. Until then, stay easy breezy and beautiful, and we're gonna watch the skincare. This is a mess. Okay, bye. Hey babe, so just before we go ahead, I do have a discount code which you can use to get 10 to 15% off your order on Stylevana, and I'm gonna leave it in the description box, and also I'm gonna pin it somewhere in the comments. So the first product I'm using is the toner, of course, and that's why I said this is a starter pack. So I'm using the number 3 super glowing essence toner from Numbuzin. This is a fermentation essence toner containing 50 fermented ingredients that fills the face with luxurious gloss. You can either use a cotton pad for this, but I decided to use pour it on my hand and apply it to my face directly. You guys can see how this instantly just gives me the glow. The next product I'm going in is a serum, and this is the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Probiotica Intensive Ampule. Such a mouthful. This is a brightening and anti-wrinkle functional cosmetic. This probiotic intensive ampule is infused with fermented Centella asiatica from Madagascar and ceramide. It helps improve skin elasticity and it strengthens the skin barrier to make the skin firm and rejuvenated. I love the feel of this on my skin. It's not like any serum that I've used before. This is like very smooth, and the glow it gives me, the way my skin feels really hydrated, is amazing. Anyways, I basically just spread the serum on my face with my hand, and once I'm done, I lightly tap it in. Another thing I like to do is I don't just layer my skincare products on top of each other. I let it sit for like 3 minutes. If I am not rushing anywhere, I let it sit for like 5 minutes before I layer the next skincare product. But if I am in a rush, let it sit for like 2 to 3 minutes. Please do not forget your neck, okay? Do not forget your neck. Listen, yeah, the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella products. The packaging. Just look at the packaging. Like, it's so cute. It's aesthetically pleasing, just the way I love them. Anyways, this is the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Probiotica Enriched Cream, and this is definitely the moisturizer. First things first, I love the fact that this comes with a tiny spatula, which you would use to pack the products you want. Not every time dipping your fingers in the cream as well, So I love that. And yeah, so this is the brightening and anti-wrinkle functional cosmetic. This is an intensive repair cream containing fermented Centella asiatica from Madagascar and ceramides. You lot know about ceramides. Anyways, this helps encourage the skin's natural power to repair damaged barrier. So I do love the way this product feels on my face. It's giving me the cosrx Numbuzin kind of texture. You guys see, like, you know, when I was, you know, trying to, you saw the action that was coming out, yeah? I don't know how to put it in words, but it kind of gives me that feeling. But this is a lot thicker, guys. A little goes a long way. So you don't want to overdo this because it is thick, okay? It's thick. And again, I let this moisturizer actually sit for like 5 minutes because obviously it's thicker than other products that I've used. So I let this sit for 5 minutes. You want to make sure, depending on the consistency, to let your skincare products sit. That way, you know, everything sinks in perfectly well. And again, do not forget your neck. The next K-beauty product I'm using is a Thicker Collagen Cream. This is a creamy collagen face cream to tighten, soothe, and moisturize your skin. It also helps shrink your pores. I love the packaging. I love the way, you know, you don't have to dip into anything. You just squeeze out of the tube and it comes out. Like, that is so cool. This is kind of thick, but at the same time it is light, if you understand what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I really like the way it feels on my skin. It goes on smoothly. Like I said, none of this product breaks me out, which I find really interesting. Just look how lush my skin is looking right now. Like, I look really good right now, honestly. I'm gassed, okay? And of course, the last step of everybody's skincare routine, which is the SPF. Guys, if you don't use your SPF, make sure to start using your SPF, okay? Anyways, this is a Cynic SPF 50 plus sunscreen, and this is my first time using a K-beauty sunscreen. Actually, I've always used the Bondi Sands, and to be honest, I really prefer this one because the Bondi Sands, I feel, makes my face too greasy, like it has too much oil. But this is just perfect. If I'm gonna repurchase, I'll definitely be repurchasing this. Like you guys can see, I don't have no white cast, zero white cast, which I really love about this. And my face doesn't feel greasy. This is the perfect sunscreen for a black girl with oily skin. I have oily skin, and this is just so perfect for me. The only product I'm not using in this video is the number 3 Numbuzin pore balm makeup removal, and that's because obviously I'm not using makeup. So do follow my TikTok if you want to see how I use that product. I don't have any video up for that yet, but I definitely will do. Anyways, that's the end of the skincare routine. Like I said, this is a starter pack beginners skincare routine, and I do have promo code as well, which will be, like I said before, in the description box and also somewhere pinned in the comment. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, and yeah, bye guys.